If you are a MacBook user and you ever wanted to have an app that lets you download videos from YouTube, Instagram, and some other websites like for free without any shady ads, then
Let's get started.
do subscribe. Thanks. Type Downy, click on the first link, and here you need to click on download now. You just need to click over here and drag it to this. Now we'll open this app. So you can see this is the icon. I'll click on open and it will say welcome to Downy. We'll click on agree. These are some of the settings that you can change. The number of concurrent downloads, you can make this to 99 or whatever number you want. For post processing, you can click on convert to MP4. Then you can click on next. You can select if you want to have the extension for any of these browsers. I don't do that. So I'll click on next, click on next, click on done, and you're done. And to use the app, you need to click on user guided extraction button. So it's basically a browser that helps you select the content that you wish to download. So let's go to YouTube. So now let us say we download this video. Hi, I was brother. So you have to play some of the strength and you'll see the video over here. So now you can see that it popped up the video. So I'll click on English auto-generated subtitles. I'll click on select and you can see over here. And now when you close this, you can see the video has been downloaded. I can click on reveal in Finder and now I can play this.
Hi, so I have a...
So this is how you can use this app.
There is one catch. This is only free for 14 days. After that, you have to reinstall the app. So basically, you can use it for infinite times. Thanks.
So I hope you liked the hack and subscribe, like and comment. Until then, sayonara.